a new, she's slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day. And when the sun sets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you. Night turn into morning dew. Then you the key to the lock, we in our own zone. Make yourself at home, get to know mine on the inside. You can meet at yours next time. And you feel it fresh and lose control. You don't wanna go slow, for sure. We both already know your place is my place now. Let's face it, baby, you know all the places. My place is your place. Your place is my place. Just face it, no one knows my places like you do. Your places like I do. Place like you do. Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day. And when the sun sets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you. Night turn into morning dew. Then you feel it freshen and lose control. You don't wanna go slow, for sure.
Finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue. Okay, y'all, so the unit that I am wearing was sent to me by Unice Hair. Shout out to you, Unice, for sending me this unit. I truly do appreciate it. Y'all, I had forgotten all about this wig. I completely forgot about it. I have had wigs stacked all the way up to here that I just been playing catch up with. It's just been a really crazy busy month for me. So I do want to say shout out to you, Unice, for your patience. I really truly appreciate it. Okay, so the unit that I am wearing is their 20-inch 13x4 lace highlight curly wig. Okay, so it says Unice 13x4 highlight lace front human hair wig. It says transparent lace frontal wig, pre-plucked 4x4 curly hair closure. So I'm guessing that this unit also comes in a 4x4 closure. I do not have the closure unit. I actually have the 13x4 one, but I'm guessing that you can. I'm gonna look and see. Right now, the only details that I see says brand name Unice, a wig length long, texture curly lace front wig. So I'm just gonna see if I try to add it to my cart. Yeah, here we go. Okay, so it looks like you can get this wig in different colors, and you can actually get a unit in a 4x4, but it doesn't look like it's this color unit. So I want you guys to be aware of that. This unit that I am wearing does come in 10 to 26 inches. They did state that they were sending me 20 inches, so I'm assuming that that's what this is. If it isn't, just check down below in the description box, and I should have more details about the unit down below there. This unit does ship from China or the United States, so you can get it, you know, from either one. And the densities that they have available is 150 and 180. Now, I am not sure what density they sent me. It's hard to tell with curly wigs because I feel like no matter what density you get a curly wig in, it can still be a lot of hair. I'm gonna say it's 180, but I could definitely be wrong. So, honey, don't quote me on that because I could be 100% wrong, okay? But that's what I'm gonna speculate and say that it is. Okay, so with this unit, honestly, I do feel like this wig is extremely big head friendly, and I love that with frontal wigs especially. Now, with my closure wigs, I do prefer them to be, you know, kind of more spot on, but with my frontal wigs, I feel like when they're more so on the big head friendly side, it just gives me a lot more wiggle room to, you know, lay it the way that I want to lay it. So I really do like that this wig is more so on the big head friendly side than not. Now, I did have to adjust the straps, and that is how I kind of deem whether or not a unit is big head friendly, because my head is an average cap size. So if I have to adjust the straps, then I say that a unit is big head friendly. Now, as far as shedding and tangling, honestly, I didn't experience a lot of tangling with this wig. I did brush it out, but I did not experience a lot of tangling. I kind of expected to because it was a curly wig. But honestly, honey, she ain't do none of the things. Now, I ain't saying at some point she won't, but straight out the packaging, she did not. Now, as far as shedding, I did get some shedding when I brushed the unit out, and I always typically do when it comes to my curly units, and as long as it's not excessive, it's not a big deal to me. But I want to throw it out there, honey, so you can't come at me later on saying, she ain't telling me, because girl, I told you, okay? I told you. So, yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this particular wig. Now, if you're interested in how I feel about old girl as well as the full 360 and a length check, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so honestly, I am really feeling this wig, y'all. I love this unit. I love the color of it. I love the curls. I love everything about this wig, and I love the fact that it was, the hairline was already pre-tweezed, which to me makes it more beginner friendly, because I don't know about y'all, but tweezing is one thing that I despise to do. Like, I always feel like I mess up one way or the other when it comes to tweezing. That just ain't my forte, honey. So I love when a unit comes pre-tweezed, and to me, this one came pre-tweezed to perfection, in my opinion. Like, honey, if you want to go, child, if you want to go and do some extra things to it, you know, you can, but to me, this is good. This is where it's at, in my opinion. I love just everything about this wig. I also love the fact that the hairline fit me. I do struggle sometimes with certain hairlines, like that when the wig comes, I can't make it work, you know? And with this wig, I didn't have that problem. So I love that about it as well. I just overall think it is a really gorgeous unit. The color, everything about it, I love this wig, honey. So yeah, let me know down below what you guys think about it. Are you feeling the color? Like, what do you think? I have seen this color, this whole thing, the curly blonde sort of hair floating around a lot, and I did have one that was similar. It was just a little bit darker than this one, but I did have some similar units. But this color is just, ooh, I just love it. It just does something to me, girl. So yeah, I'm feeling it. Let me know down below what you guys think, and yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and a length check. Now we can wrap this thing all the way. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind, I am 5'4", and this is it on the right side. yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think about the unit. Are you feeling it? Now, as far as the products that I used on this wig, I kind of went all over the world, which is why this side probably looking a little like it has too much product in it, okay? Because it probably do. I used my water, and then I used my curling mousse, and then I decided to use some of this hair revive elixir on it for oil, and then I decided that wasn't enough oil, child. I went and got a whole different oil, and I think that's where I was just like, oh, this hair is like, girl, you doing the most. So if it looks a little wet and all over the place, that is a why. It's still kind of drying, but I didn't want to use any gel because I didn't want that wet look. I kind of wanted it to be big and sort of puffy. If you want that look, then I suggest using like a gel or some sort. But I just wanted it to be kind of big hair, don't care. It's not there yet. It's not going to be crazy big, but it's going to be pretty big. And if you want that look, I suggest getting like a curling mousse or something to put on it. And let that be that and let old girl do her thing. So yeah, I'm feeling it. If you are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And once again, shout out to Unice for sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, don't you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button so it's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Health to Miss T on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.